right, hi everyone, Dr. Angie here. We were working on Eddie. So Eddie had some shoulder injuries prior. He had had a labrum tear and you had surgery, right, to repair it?
Yep.
Okay, so he has some pain occasionally. Remind me, how long did you say you've been taking off from it?
For about 3 weeks, I believe.
3 weeks?
Yeah.
Taking some time off from lifting or from
lifting.
Heavy movement?
Yep.
So we're going to work around. Do you have more tenderness in the front or more in the back of the shoulder?
So it's half and half, to be honest.
Half?
Where
Okay.
you're palpating right now, that's
Right there?
that's where the dull ache begins.
Okay.
Yep.
Gotcha. Anything up in this area? Scapula?
Just a little bit.
A little bit. More here?
More there. Yep.
Okay. So supraspinatus, getting around the shoulder. We'll get a little bit in the front. We'll get everything.
Yep.
All right?
Yep.
Let us begin.
All right.
Good. Good. Nice.
This is like Eddie's quietest reaction.
He's like, I'm just here, surviving it.
I've been through worse.
I was going to say, usually surgery's a little worse.
Yeah, right.
Right? I've been there too. I had shoulder surgery. I wish I had dry needling after. I feel like that would have been like a lifesaver. A lot of scar tissue can build up.
Oh, yeah.
The muscles compensating. And typically with like a slap tear or labrum, like when they clean it up, unless you tore like rotator cuff muscles, they're not doing a whole lot to the muscles. And when you're sitting there in a sling for, what, 6 weeks?
I've been on it for, I believe it was 9 weeks. So
Yours was 9?
Yeah, because it was a repetitive type of motion. I did a partial tear a year before I tore that it was a whole tear.
Gotcha.
So yeah, just a lot of subluxations before, and yeah, I dislocated my shoulder like from football camp.
Okay.
And like someone pushed me in the back, fell awkwardly, landed, or I mean I picked myself up, and then I realized my shoulder was like all the way up to my ear.
Ew.
So I like put it back into place, but the athletic trainer told me you just yanked it down. So we had to go back.
You had to go back and actually redo it.
Yes, yeah. I was like, oh man.
Like, I don't want to do that.
Yeah.
Yeah, dislocations are no fun. Especially because, like, same way of, like, spraining an ankle, right? You sprain it once, you're more likely to do it again.
Oh wow, that was the best one.
That was a spicy one.
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to get above here. Yeah. One more. We're going to get a little
One more,
bit.
that's it?
I can pepper you more if you want.
Why not? Why not?
You're like, we're here, aren't we?
Yeah.
We'll throw in a couple more. Just to appease.
Oh,
Just kidding. I'm sure I can definitely find more spots. Yeah, right in there. Ooh, yeah. Good.
Yeah. Well done.
Right. We got one more up top here. Good. I'm going to re-angle this one. Oh, just kidding. We're going to get a new one. Here we go. Nice. All right. Eddie, we're going to leave you here for 10 minutes, okay?
Beautiful.
Have fun.
Thank you very much, Dr. Angie.
You're welcome.